Welcome to the best picks. The best window film is probably one of the most effective ways to keep your home warm and cozy during winter, saving you money on energy bills while reducing your carbon footprint. In this video, we will review the top-rated insulating window films on the market, comparing their features, ease of installation, and overall effectiveness in preventing heat loss, helping you choose the perfect film to enhance your home's energy efficiency and comfort. Number 5. Duck Brand Window Shrink Film Kit. This winter, keep your home warm and cozy. It helps seal out drafts and cold air, saving you money on your energy bills. It's made of a crystal clear film that won't obstruct your view. It shrinks to create a tight, insulating seal. The kit includes everything you need for easy installation. You'll get enough to cover 10 windows. It's designed to significantly increase your home's energy efficiency. It creates a barrier against cold air, keeping your home warmer. It's a smart and eco-friendly way to save energy and reduce your environmental impact. Enjoy a warmer home while saving money. This kit contains everything you need: the shrink film and double-sided tape for a professional-looking installation. What we like. It's perfect for large houses with many windows. If you are looking for a cost-effective way to insulate your home, this is a great option. This kit provides excellent value for the number of windows it covers, saving you money on energy bills and making it a smart choice for budget-conscious homeowners. What people say. The drafts are gone and we went from 66-67F in the upstairs bedrooms to 70-71F upstairs, without the chilly drafts. That was in sub-zero temps outside. These window covers are obviously keeping the cold air out and the warm air in. It worked on the glass and the draft stopped immediately. Living in Canada in the winter, my sunroom was always freezing cold. I installed this and am astounded how well it works. I ended up putting it on 2 more windows inside the spare bedrooms and it has made a massive difference. The whole house is warmer, and the furnace isn't running as often. Number 4. Duck Brand Window Shrink Film Kit. This winter, keep the cold air out and your energy bills down. It's easy to install and makes a real difference. You'll barely notice it's there. The clear film shrinks to create an airtight seal, keeping your home warm and cozy. Everything you need is right here: plenty of film to cover your windows and double-sided tape for a secure fit. This kit is designed to perfectly insulate 5 standard-sized windows, saving you money on heating. By reducing energy waste, it helps protect the environment and keeps your home comfortable. It's a win-win. Simply measure, cut, apply the tape, and shrink the film with a hairdryer. It's a quick and simple process. What we like. This is ideal for smaller homes or apartments. If you need to insulate fewer windows and want a more affordable solution, this kit is perfect. It offers the same great performance as the larger kit but at a lower price point, making it a practical choice for those on a tighter budget. What people say. The drafts are gone and we went from 66-67F in the upstairs bedrooms to 70-71F upstairs, without the chilly drafts. That was in sub-zero temps outside. These window covers are obviously keeping the cold air out and the warm air in. It worked on the glass and the draft stopped immediately. Living in Canada in the winter, my sunroom was always freezing cold. I installed this and am astounded how well it works. I ended up putting it on 2 more windows inside the spare bedrooms and it has made a massive difference. The whole house is warmer, and the furnace isn't running as often. Number 3. Frost King V73 Window Kit. This winter, keep your home warm and cozy with the Frost King V73 Window Insulation Kit. It's highly durable and easy to use, providing a snug fit for your windows. Installation is a breeze. Simply follow the instructions and you'll have it up in minutes, saving you money on energy bills. It's built to last. This kit provides a long-lasting seal, keeping the cold air out and the warmth in. Remember to remove it during warmer months. Sunlight and normal wear can affect its performance over time. For best results, reapply yearly. It's a smart investment that pays for itself in energy savings. Enjoy a warmer, more comfortable home without breaking the bank. This product is manufactured to high standards in China, ensuring quality and value. What we like. It is a highly durable and user-friendly product. If you prioritize ease of use and long-lasting performance, this is a great choice. Its durability and ease of use make it a convenient option for those who want a reliable solution without a lot of hassle. What people say. Used to diminish cold and wind. When used correctly, you will see a difference. Easy to use, but take your time for a pristine look. The directions were easy to follow and installation was not difficult at all. They fit our windows well considering some are longer than the average. We were able to do 10 windows in less than an hour. Can barely notice the covering is there. Thick and does reduce drafts. This did well in keeping a lot of the frost out last winter. Number 2. Duck Max Window Insulation Kit. Say goodbye to drafty windows this winter. This kit is perfect for insulating up to 3 of your windows, saving you money on energy bills. It's made with a heavy-duty film designed to block drafts and keep the heat inside, where it belongs. Installation is quick and easy. The kit includes everything you need for a simple installation. Just follow the instructions and you'll be snug as a bug in a rug in no time. This kit contains the heavy-duty film and all the necessary tape for a professional-looking finish. No need to buy anything extra. When spring arrives, it removes cleanly, leaving no residue behind. It's the perfect temporary solution for energy efficiency. It's ideal for insulating up to 3 windows, each measuring approximately 3 feet by 5 feet. Get ready for a cozy winter. What we like. This kit is designed for durability and easy removal. If you need a strong and reliable solution that is easy to put up and take down, this is the one for you. The clean removal feature makes it perfect for those who want to easily remove the film at the end of the season. What people say. Easy to use and fantastic for blocking drafts. Out of the box, you can tell this film is approximately twice as thick as regular duck shrink film. This film is perfect for those and this will be my film of choice in the future. Durable, easy to install and pleasant looking while being mildly effective. Number 1. Duck 286218 Patio Door Shrink Film. Say goodbye to expensive heating bills. This kit is perfect for insulating your patio door or large window, keeping the warmth inside where it belongs. It's completely transparent, so you won't even notice it's there. The film shrinks to create an airtight seal, blocking drafts and cold air. This kit includes everything you need for a perfect installation. You get a generous amount of crystal clear film and plenty of double-sided tape for a secure fit. With dimensions of 84 by 120 inches of film and a 1/2 inch by 36 foot roll of tape, it's designed to fit most extra-large windows or patio doors. It's a smart and eco-friendly way to save energy and money. This insulation kit helps increase your home's energy efficiency. What we like. It's designed specifically for larger windows or patio doors. If you have a large window or patio door that needs insulation, this is your best bet. Its large size makes it perfect for insulating those hard-to-cover areas, helping you save energy and stay comfortable. What people say. These kits work amazing. I did them all by myself, but I would not suggest this with a patio plastic kit, it was very difficult. Our house is not feeling drafty like it was the past years and there's no cold emitting from the windows. Size was more than enough, not very thick but was very effective. Insulation was very effective and no hot air hot in. The first time I installed this I put it on the window frame, and while that definitely helped with the cold air from the 4 large old windows along the front of our home, I could still feel a draft. So, I removed the plastic and redid it, with new plastic as I needed it to be wider. This makes a big difference in the warmth of our living room. We have an old home with old single-pane windows, so this solution is not 100% blocking. Adding pleated shades thermal blackout curtains would work too, is the final piece that keeps those ancient windows from driving up our winter heating costs. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.